sa malalaking kumpanya ay may pinapractice ng corporate responsibility. Ang mga negosyanteng ito ay tumutulong naman sa mga kababayan nating nais magtrabaho. Alamin natin mula kay DJ kung ano ang mga advokasya sa dalawang nakilala niyang entrepreneur sa Don't Just Do It.
Good afternoon mga kasambahay. I'm DJ, your host for today. I'm here with Rosalyn Pagunsan here at Big Apple Express Spa at Robinson's Galleria. Hi Rosalyn.
Hi,
How are you?
DJ. I'm okay, doing good.
What made you start this business called?
Well, we are four friends who love to have massages.
Okay.
But then, since we are the working class, as you could say, we find having a massage in a spa very, very expensive.
That's true.
So we thought of something or a category related to a spa which we all wanted that is in the middle. So we conceptualized the Express Spa category.
That's where Express Spa comes in.
Yes.
Okay.
That's where it came from. And then we thought of a name that sounds expensive, or you could say classy. But then when you come inside, it's classy and comfortable and all. But then the price is very affordable.
What would be your greatest challenge opening up a business like this?
But first and foremost is we came from a different background.
All of the owners.
All of us. So we have to learn the ins and outs of the business. How to do the massage, how to do the massage, and to try out different massages so that we could have like our very own our signature therapy. Another challenge is how to keep the prices low without sacrificing the quality.
Quality. And what would this Express Spa, Big Apple Express Spa, have in difference towards the other spas out there?
We have the make your own massage.
Okay, what is that?
So the make your own massage is you could choose the part of which you want to be massaged on. Because there are like therapies or some of our massages, like you have already a system on how to do it. But with the make your own massage, you could veer away with that system because, as I've said earlier, you could choose the part.
What would be your advocacy like? What would you think?
When we created this category, at first, number one is just you want to earn because you're making a business, right? You want to earn. But later on, as we've expanded to 20 branches, our group has come to think that we could help the economy, the Philippines, our country also, in generating jobs. Even you're not a college graduate, so we could teach you, since we have our own training center, we could teach you on how to massage and make that your source of life, source of living. So to take care of the people that work for us, because we know that they are our partners in growing this business.
Any last words for our viewers today in regards to anything?
Number one is if you want to have your own business, just to follow your passion.
That's true. You have to love what you do.
Yes, you have to love what you do, and you have to believe that it will work, despite the odds. And also to take care of the people who work for you, and also to trust God, where everything else comes from. So if you want to have a successful business, then you could partner with us, Big Apple Express Spa. You could contact us at telephone numbers 915-7608 for inquiries, or you could also email us at pranamfranchising@gmail.com.
Well, there you have it, mga kasambahay. We were just with Rosalyn of Big Apple Express Spa here at the Robinson's Galleria. Advocacy is to help others, the people that work for you. You know, they are our moving. Without them, we wouldn't have anything. So she takes care of her employees, yet she gives jobs to everybody. With expanding, she'll be able to offer all of that. Ano to, ipapakilala ko sa'yo, si Marlon Manala. Businessman siya, magaling siya, madami. You will learn a lot.